When it comes to upgrading your home in Taylor, MI, few improvements make as immediate an impact as installing replacement doors. The right door enhances curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, increases security, and even raises your property value. But one of the most important decisions homeowners face is choosing the best material. With Michigan's fluctuating weather conditions, freezing winters, humid summers, and everything in between, selecting the right door material is essential for long-term performance and comfort. Here's what Taylor homeowners should know when comparing the most popular replacement door materials. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are a top choice for homeowners who prioritize security and durability. Known for their strength, steel doors resist cracking, warping, and shrinking, making them especially reliable during Michigan's cold winters and humid summers. Many modern steel doors feature insulated cores, which help reduce heat loss and keep energy bills under control. For Taylor residents dealing with sub-zero winter temperatures, this added insulation can make a noticeable difference in comfort. Steel doors are also relatively low maintenance. Unlike wood, they don't require frequent refinishing. However, if the surface becomes scratched or dented, it's important to repair it promptly to prevent rust. Best for homeowners seeking affordability, security, and energy efficiency with minimal upkeep. Fiberglass doors. Versatile and weather-resistant fiberglass doors are increasingly popular in Taylor neighborhoods, and for good reason. They offer the appearance of real wood without the high maintenance requirements. Fiberglass is highly resistant to dents, rust, and corrosion, making it an excellent choice for Michigan's unpredictable weather. One of the biggest advantages of fiberglass is its energy efficiency. Many fiberglass doors are built with insulated cores that help maintain indoor temperatures year-round. They also resist moisture damage, which is especially important during wet springs and snowy winters. Fiberglass doors can be finished in a wide range of styles and colors, including wood grain textures that closely resemble natural wood. Best for homeowners who want the look of wood with superior durability and low maintenance. Wood doors. Classic beauty and customization. Nothing matches the timeless elegance of a real wood door. For homeowners in Taylor who want a traditional or upscale appearance, wood doors offer unmatched warmth and character. Wood doors are highly customizable. They can be carved, stained, or painted to complement virtually any architectural style. This makes them ideal for historic homes or properties where design detail matters. However, Michigan's climate can be tough on natural wood. Without proper sealing and maintenance, wood doors may warp, swell, or crack due to moisture and temperature changes. Regular refinishing is necessary to keep them looking and performing their best. Best for homeowners who value aesthetics and are willing to invest in regular maintenance. Aluminum and glass doors. Modern and stylish for patio and sliding door replacements, aluminum and glass options are worth considering. These doors allow natural light to flood your living space while maintaining a sleek, contemporary appearance. Modern glass doors are built with insulated, energy-efficient panes that help prevent drafts during Taylor's cold winters. Aluminum frames are lightweight and resistant to corrosion, though they may not offer the same insulation level as fiberglass or steel unless thermally broken. These doors are particularly popular for backyard access, decks, and sunrooms. Best for homeowners looking to enhance natural light and create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Factors to consider in Taylor, MI. When choosing replacement door materials, it's important to think beyond appearance. Consider energy efficiency. Look for insulated cores and weather stripping to handle Michigan's temperature extremes. Maintenance requirements. Some materials require more upkeep than others. Security needs. Reinforced frames and strong locking systems add peace of mind. Budget. Initial costs vary, but durability and energy savings may offset higher upfront investments. Home style. your door should complement your home's architecture and neighborhood aesthetic. Making the right choice the best replacement door material for your tailor-made home ultimately depends on your priorities. If you want maximum security and affordability, steel may be ideal. If you prefer low maintenance with high durability, fiberglass is a strong contender. For timeless beauty, wood remains unmatched. Working with a trusted local door professional can help you evaluate your options and select a door that fits your lifestyle, budget, and Michigan's demanding climate. With the right material, your replacement door will provide comfort, security, and curb appeal for years to come.